In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the could not connect to iCloud issue, particularly when you see the error message stating that your phone number cannot be used at this time. This can be quite a pesky problem, and I'm here to guide you through the resolution steps clearly and efficiently. Let's dive in. First things first, before panicking, check your internet connection. Ensure you're connected to a stable and reliable network, as this can sometimes be the simple root of the issue. Whether you're on Wi-Fi or using cellular data, a strong connection is crucial for iCloud to function properly. Troubleshoot any connectivity issues by switching off and on your Wi-Fi or resetting your network settings if needed. Next, a classic yet often effective step is to restart your device. It might sound basic, but a restart can help resolve many temporary glitches by recalibrating the system. Simply turn off your iPhone, wait a few seconds, and turn it back on. This might be all you need to get your device connected to iCloud once more. If the issue persists, the next step is to sign out of iCloud and then sign back in. To do this, navigate to your settings, tap on your name at the top, and scroll down to find the sign out option. Make sure you remember your Apple ID password, as you'll need it to sign back in. Once signed out, restart your device again just to ensure a fresh start, and then log back into iCloud. This process can help re-establish a secure connection between your device and Apple's servers. Moving on, ensuring your iOS is up to date is another essential step. The latest software updates from Apple often include fixes to known problems, including issues with iCloud connectivity. To check for updates, open Settings, go to General, and then tap Software Update. If an update is available, download and install it. Make sure your device is charged or connected to a power source and has enough storage for the update to complete smoothly. In case nothing seems to work so far, visit Apple's System Status page. This page will let you know if there's a widespread issue affecting iCloud services. It could be that Apple is already aware of the problem and working on a fix, which means your best option may be to wait for their update. Now, if you're really stuck and none of these workarounds help, contacting Apple support is your go-to. They're well equipped to provide personalized solutions and insights. Alternatively, you can visit support.apple.com for additional resources and troubleshooting guides, especially if you're having verification issues with your phone number. And there you have it. With these steps, your iCloud connection issues should be a thing of the past, allowing you to efficiently verify your phone number without any more hassle. Don't forget, patience and a methodical approach are key to solving these tech issues. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.